So how do we write real world inequalities based off of a story? In this scenario, it's going to be a two-step inequality, and you should find that just a one-step inequality would be simpler, but let's take a look at challenging ourselves with a two-step first. So let's assume that I am making cakes for a party. I plan to make one large cake for a centerpiece and several cupcakes to put around the table. It takes me 30 minutes to make the centerpiece cake and 5 minutes to make each small cupcake. So I'm automatically thinking I've got 30 minutes here for just a one centerpiece cake. And here's my plus, it takes me 5 minutes to make each small cupcake. So that means that, oh, and then several indicates my unknown, right? So 5 minutes per cupcake plus 30 minutes for the centerpiece. Now let's see, normally we would say that this equals something, but we know that we're dealing with an inequality, which tells us it is not exactly equal. There will be more than one value. So I will only have up to 70 minutes to make the cakes once I get home. So let's process this. Up to 70 minutes. Can it be more than 70 minutes? No. Can it be less than 70 minutes? Yes, I can have up to 70 minutes. So if it can be less than 70 minutes, we're going to use the less than symbol. Now, can it also be equal to 70 minutes? Well, let's read it again. I will have up to 70 minutes. Up to 70 minutes means it can include the 70 minutes. I can have the 70 minutes as well. So we're going to add our equal to portion of our symbol there. Now we're just going to solve this as normal. We would first subtract 30 from both sides. We want to get rid of that amount of time it takes to make the centerpiece to see how many small cupcakes can be made. We have not divided or multiplied by a negative, so we're going to leave our symbol the same. We get 40 over here, and then we undo our coefficient of 5. We have not divided by a negative. We leave our symbol the same, and we get 8. So in this case, I can make 8 or less than or equal to 8 cupcakes. And so then we would just put that into a sentence. Mrs. Tasova can make up to less than or equal to 8 cupcakes in 70 minutes or up to 70 minutes. And that's it.